What's up? Okay, so you might notice we have another box here. This is
Ego 7.
Yeah.
It actually got in the mail like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah. He's pretty excited here.
I've taken it out already, but I redid it just for the video, and he doesn't know what it looks like.
Yeah, I haven't seen it yet. I've seen it on Nation, but
yeah, it's really nice.
Okay,
right,
let's open this box.
Start. By the way, this has been through a lot of countries like Germany, and
which is why it took so long.
Yeah. First you see bubble wrap,
more
sorts,
packaging,
and then Ego case.
Hard case. Oh, it's beautiful. Why is there packaging in here?
Because I put my packaging. This is for another video. And that's the gun right there. Thing is amazing. And look,
I would have thought this was foam-y, but it's actually pretty hard. Open bolt design. Yeah, you need to lube the threads on that barrel. It's kind of sticky.
Good.
Eclipse oil.
Yeah, and he included a few Allen wrenches and stuff.
I'll show you the inside of the case here. It's actually pretty hard foam. It doesn't squish as much as I thought it would.
If you can see that,
ow.
You probably can. Lights up. See that?
Oh, I love the trigger.
You can hear the noise. Yeah, it's optical. Here.
I would rip with this guy. I love this trigger.
Yeah, it's a great gun. I don't know what else to say about it.
Yep. We'll be taking this apart today, showing you some Ego 7 internals
And stuff.
we also have a lot of video ideas. We're gonna do a spool versus poppet video.
Die regular maintenance.
Yeah, we're gonna open up my Hyper 2.
Yeah.
Also, just message us, post some comments. We'll do some versus videos. You know, ask us questions. Say, for example, we're probably already gonna make a video of this events versus flexes.
Or just a complete mash show.
Yeah.
Much.
Just ask us something versus something else. We'll give you our opinions. We'll put at least like 5 videos up today. So.
In your vantage.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just keep checking YouTube. We'll be posting videos all day.
Bye.